Hey, welcome back, guys. I'm Corey, and this is my channel, Get Sharp. So, if you own a VEVOR 1x30, or for all I know, the 2x72, and it's not bi-directional, don't click away. Hang out here for a minute. This is funny. So, a week or two ago, I put out a video, and I shared that I had just purchased my 1x30. My wife actually purchased it. Get Sharp super fan. And I was very upset because the Amazon website, the Amazon description for this says it's bi-directional, clockwise and counterclockwise. I get it. It's not doing it. I'm watching all the tutorials. Nope, doesn't work. Holding the S down for 3 seconds, nothing, just doesn't work. Look at the manual, I notice, oh, mine is a different model number than the one advertised on Amazon. So I do the right thing. I reach out to VEVOR and I explain the whole situation. They reply and say, we are so sorry. The model you thought you were buying is no longer in production. We no longer offer a bi-directional belt grinder. So I'm bummed because I wanted that feature. You know, it could come in handy. In fact, I need that feature. They reply back with 30%, and then I say, hey, like, I'm willing to wait a couple weeks, a month, if you're gonna have them more in stock, and I'll buy it then, you know, and maybe we do an exchange. Nope, they came back with me, how about you take 60% off? We'll refund you 60%. I just said yes. Come to find out later, some people are getting full refunds. So I didn't get that, but I got this thing for 80 bucks. I'm happy. Anyways, one of my subscribers emailed me today. Got a helicopter flying by. I gotta go see what it is. One of the cool things, living on the coast. Coast Guard comes ripping by it. 200 feet, maybe 300 feet. That's freaking cool. I don't know which heli that is, but man, I love it when they come screaming through. All right, sorry about that. Where was I? VEVOR belt grinder. Okay, one of my subscribers, his name is Phil Shapu. Like that, Phil? Shapu. I looked at that. Anyways, I saw his last name. I'm like, how do you pronounce that? So I Googled it. I work in banking. I do it all the time when I see a last name I've never seen. Anyways, so he sends me an attachment. And I'll be honest with you, Phil. I didn't download it. I'm like, what the hell is this? You know, he's kind of vague in his email. And anyways, finally get home. I run a virus scan on his attachment. It's safe. I download it. This guy, bless his heart, hand wrote me directions to get this thing to run in both directions. Phil's handwriting, it's not quite as good as mine, but it's shit, okay? Mine is a millimeter above shit. His is a millimeter below. So he and I live in this world where no one could, we look like we're in first grade when we write things by hand. So I'm looking at his chicken scratch and I'm trying everything and I'm like, it's not working, bro. Like, he say, do this, do that, and then go into S mode. Like, I don't have it, my model doesn't have an S mode. And bless his heart, he keeps going back and forth with me. Come to find out, that wasn't an S, that was a 5. So I tried 5, program 5, and it freaking works. I can go forward and backwards now. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. And yeah, if I had to guess, Phil was super confident that this method works on all VEVORs. And he's probably right, because he and I have different models, and everyone else online has a different model too. And I think, yeah, let me pull you guys in and I'll show you how to do this. Okay, so fingers crossed I'm not overexposed here. I don't know if you guys noticed this, but it never powers down when you hit power down. It takes a minute. There it goes. Okay, so power on. First thing you're gonna do, you're gonna hold down the plus and negative symbol for about 3 seconds. And this is a factory reset. There it goes. Made a little click sound. It was easy to hear. All right, power on. That little thing's spinning. That means we're good to go. Now we're gonna put it in program mode. And the way we do that is we hold down P and S at the same time. We're in program mode. Paul said to go to S. So I'm clicking. I go all the way up to 32. And I'm looking for this P to change to an S. I'm like, where is it? There's no S mode. What the hell? Come to find out, he meant 5, program 5. Now you're gonna hit save. And you have 2 options, 1 and 0. Okay, let's go ahead and do 0. All right, that is counterclockwise. Stop, hit these 2 together. Program 5. We're gonna enter program 5 by hitting S. We're gonna go to 1. We're gonna save by hitting S. Counterclockwise. Back to program mode, hitting them both. Program 5. We're gonna enter by hitting S. We're gonna go back down to 0. S. Now we're counterclockwise. I guess it depends on which way you're looking at it. Let's call this edge leading. Hit them together, enter 5. Let's go to 1, save. Edge trailing. Stop. Program mode. Enter it. We want edge trailing. Save. Let's make sure the speeds work. Okay, we went fast in edge trailing mode, back to program mode, enter 5, go to 1 for edge trailing, save, it's trailing. There you go. It goes forward and it goes backwards. There we go. You like that? There you go, guys. Forward and reverse, probably on every VEVOR model, as far as I know. VEVOR doesn't know it, or at least their frontline customer service people don't, but we do. I hope this adds value to your sharpening setup, because I know it's gonna add value to mine. And do me a solid. Come on, guys, do me a solid. Double stab the like button for me. As far as I know, I'm the only one on YouTube with a goal of the world's sharpest knife. And we're gonna get there. But I need more equipment. And a simple stab of the like button will help me get there just a little bit quicker. And hey, don't forget to subscribe so when we do sharpen the world's sharpest knife, you're here to witness it first. All right, guys, I appreciate you joining along. I love having fun with this. I'll see you next time.